good morning. Happy Sunday. How you guys doing? I hope you're cool. Today is Sunday. I hope you guys have gone to church. Yeah. It's a beautiful Sunday morning right here. Oh yes. Beautiful Sunday right here. Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Hi guys. Happy Sunday. So I am going to church right now. So have a blessed day and wonderful Sunday. Bye bye.